What's up, guys, and welcome to our room tour here on board the Mariner of the Seas. We're in cabin 9672. It's an aft port side balcony stateroom, and I want to show you around, let you take a look at all the cool features about this room. Come on. First thing is you come to this big open room. Look at that, we have the classic royal bed, the royal bedding. Really looking forward to a nice slumber in this tonight. Of course, you do have your couch here. Nice, expansive, actually full-size couch. I don't know, I think this couch turns into a full-size bed, but I'm just under 6 foot tall and I fit with plenty of room on it. So a full-grown adult definitely can fit on that couch. If you want somebody to crash, y'all spent too much time out at the bar that night, you certainly can have somebody crash on your couch, no worries, no problem. We do have a lot of storage in this room as well. That's a great feature of this room here on Mariner of the Seas. A hairdryer located in that top drawer for you. So ladies, if you forget that hairdryer, they've got one here on board the ship for you. And then of course, several drawers down below for you to put, you know, little knickknacks, maybe a jewelry box, even some socks, undergarments, things like that. That's a great place for them there. And then the mirrors here, even those pull out, and they have some storage behind those on either side of this beautiful vanity. I know Lauren will be spending some time here getting ready for a formal night later on this cruise. Outlets, we do have 2 outlets right here, 120 volt. Also, if you're in Europe, the ship is sailing in Europe, we do have a 230 right over here for your convenience. Moving on over this way, we have some more shelving down here. We even have the little mini fridge here, which, let's see, is it stocked? Which side do we open here? All right, we got an empty fridge. So if you go out, you have maybe some dessert tonight, you want to bring it back to the room for later on, shove it right in there, keep it nice and cool. More shelving down below there. We'll get to the piece de resistance in just a second. Before that, I want to spin you around here and let's take a look this way. So of course, we have our closet space. Let's see, oh, I'm trying to open the wrong thing. We have our closet space. Ooh, I like the layout of this closet space. Look, it's almost like a little walk-in closet. Hello, goodbye. Hello. So we have shelving over here for you to hang up, and then if you need some more hanging space, this was just not enough for you, maybe you want a longer sailing, these right here do pop down. You can add some extra hanging space for you there. Your life jacket's in the room located just to the right here. Make sure if this bad boy goes down, don't forget those. Climate control is going to be located right beside the bathroom. We do have our set on cool because we are heading to the Bahamas. Ready for a great cruise down to the Bahamas. And then of course, your restroom facilities located here. I really like the glass doors. This is very typical of Royal Caribbean, but a nice sliding glass doors. You're not going to have the curtain sticking to you. It's pretty expansive as well. I mean, you've got enough room to definitely turn around if I'm in here. I don't feel like I'm going to be banging into everything. And I mean, I'm not, you know, I'm not a huge guy, but I'm definitely not a small guy either. So I think that this is a very adequate size. We have your hair and body wash right here. 2-in-1 Royal Caribbean soap for you. A nice shower jet to wrap it all out. Some minor storage located here in the bathroom. This mirror does open up, so you can put some stuff behind there. You also have below the sink just a little bit of line storage. And of course, counter space for you. 2 water glasses. And now, the piece de resistance of this cabin would be this balcony. Come on out here, check it out. Our beautiful, beautiful balcony room here on board the Mariner of the Seas. Like I said, we are on the aft portion of the ship, port side. So if you come on up here, Lauren, they can look all the way down to the front side of the ship and check it out. Yeah, look at this. Look at this, beautiful, beautiful views. Out to sea, that's where we're heading here in just a little bit. Look here, so even the chairs are adjustable here. So you've got some nice like half loungers. A great table, you might want to have some breakfast or coffee out on the balcony. What do you think, Lauren? Are you looking forward to it? It's gonna be a fun time, guys. We're so looking forward to it. Special thanks to Royal Caribbean for creating the hookup for this one. We really do appreciate it, guys, and we're so looking forward to a great, and I mean great, couple of days here on board the Mariner of the Seas. If you like this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, and we'll see you in the cruise vlogs.